Dear students, I am your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, we have discussed class 7th. First 6 lessons are over. But now we are again starting the revision from lesson first. So that if you have any doubt, it will be covered in the revision part. And if some students are left who haven't watched the previous videos from lesson 1st to lesson 6th, they can also get the benefit of these videos. In the revision part, they will get each and every point of their syllabus from lesson 1st to onward. Today I am going to start lesson first. Lesson first, integers. Okay, beta. This is the revision part. So, according to that, we will proceed. Integers, beta, you know very well what are the integers. You have discussed the integers in class 6th also. Like a number line. On the number line, the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3. And so on that side -1, -2, -3 and so on. These numbers on the number line are called integers. On the right hand side of 0, all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. They are called positive integer. They are called positive integers. And on the left hand side of 0, beta, the numbers -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, they are called negative integers. You know very well. And what about 0? 0 is neither positive, it is neither positive nor negative. Okay, understood? You know very well about the integers. And addition and subtraction of integers we have discussed in class 6th. So here we will start from multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. But first of all, some properties of multiplication we will discuss. Properties of multiplication of integers. First is beta closure property. Closure property. What is closure property? Closure property means beta, if we multiply two integers, then our answer will also be integer. Sometime here I will explain in Punjabi also, so that each and every student can get the point. Okay beta? Closure property, it means if we multiply two integers, then our result will also be integer. Like I pick two integer 2 and 3. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 beta. 6 is also integer. Similarly here beta, suppose I pick -1 and -2. -1 multiply -2. We know minus multiply minus, it will become plus, and 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 is also integer. That is the meaning of closure property. Means ਜੇਕਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੋ ਇੰਟੀਜਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਆਨਸਰ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਟੀਜਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਓਕੇ, ਅੰਡਰਸਟੂਡ ਬੇਟਾ. ਸੈਕੰਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਇਜ਼ ਬੇਟਾ ਕਮਿਊਟੇਟਿਵ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ. ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਸੈਕੰਡ, commutative property. Commutative property. What about the commutative property? Commutative property means order of multiplication of integers does not affect the answer. Means suppose like that, here I pick two integer, 2 multiply 3. If I multiply 2 with 3, I will get 6. And similarly, if I multiply 3 with 2, I will get again 6. Means in multiplication of integers, or you can say in multiplication of any number, order does not affect the answer. Means first I multiply 2 with 3, then also 6. In second case, I multiply 3 with 2, then I get the same answer. Means if you have two integer a and b, then a multiply b will always equal to b multiply a. This is the commutative property, second property of integer. Okay beta, understood? Yes beta, third property is associative property. Associative property means if I have three integer, you can pick any integer. Here I am taking the example of three integer 1, 2 and 3. Okay beta. Means associative property say that if I multiply 2 with 1 multiply 3, I will get 2 multiply 1 multiply 3. Understood beta? Clear? Again it is based on the order. Okay? Means first I multiply 1 and 3. You can also take first multiply 1 and 2 then with 3. First multiply 1 with 3, then whole multiply with 2. It will be equal to multiply 2 with 1, then whole multiply by 3. Like look here, 2 multiply. Firstly solve the bracket. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 2 multiply 1 beta, 2 multiply 3. That is it become 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 6. Understood? Means in any way we can multiply the number. Okay? For example, similarly, during the generalization, if I take three number a, b, c, these are the integers, then associative property say that a multiply b multiply c will always equal to a multiply b multiply c. Okay? Understood? Means you can use this property where you have given three numbers like 1, 2, 3. Understood beta? If you multiply 1 by 2 by 3, then you will get the same answer. If you multiply 3 by 2 by 1, then you will get the same answer. If you multiply 2 by 1, then by 3, then you will get the same answer. Okay? Means order of multiplication of numbers does not affect the answer. Okay? Whether numbers are 2, whether 3, whether more. Clear beta? And property fourth. Fourth property is very, very important beta. Distributive property. Distributive property. Okay beta. This property say that if you have three integer a, b and c, then a multiply b plus c will be equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. Okay? Understood beta? Means a multiply b plus c means two numbers are in the plus and they are multiplied with the number a. Then beta simply this property say that this number will be multiplied with these two number one by one. Look here, firstly a multiply b, okay, and then a sign is plus. Then we will put the sign of plus here. Then a multiply c. Clear? Understood beta? Similarly, it property hold if here the sign will be minus. Suppose here the sign will be minus, then we will put here a minus. Understood beta? Means this property hold both for both sign, plus as well as a minus. Okay, if here plus, we will put the plus. If here we have minus, then we will put the minus. Understood beta? Clear? I am taking the example. For example, similarly, I have the integer 1, 2, 3. Okay, now A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Look, 1 multiply 2 plus 3, fill the value. I fill A here 1, B 2, C 3. Okay, similarly on that side I have filled the value. A multiply B means 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, A multiply C, 1 multiply 3. Look, these sides are equal or not? 1 multiply beta 2 plus 3 5, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 3 3, so 1 into 5 5, 2 plus 3 5. Both sides are equal, means this property hold. Okay, very important property. In so many questions we will use that property. Okay beta? Yes beta, fifth part, property fifth, existence of multiplicative identity. Beta, identity means if we will go according to the word meaning, identity means पहचान, to identify. Okay, means in multiplication, existence of multiplicative identity means that number which have not changed the identity of any integer under multiplication. Okay, वो नंबर जो किसी भी इंटीजर की पहचान को चेंज ना करे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, उसे बोलते हैं आइडेंटिटी अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, for example beta, I have a number 2. With what number I multiply 2 so that its answer will be 2? You know very well, if any number multiply with 1, then its answer will be same number. For example, 2 multiply 1 will be 2. Okay beta? 3 multiply 1 is equal to 3. Clear? Understood? And we can take it minus here. For example, minus 2 multiply 1, minus 2 means 1. 1 does not affect the identity of number. What is identity of number here beta? 2. Then again it come out 2. 3, then again it come out 3. Minus 2, again it come out minus 2. Okay, understood? Means 1 doesn't affect the identity of the integers during the multiplication. So we called 1. 1 is the identity under multiplication of integers. Clear beta? Understood? Okay, next is the beta property sixth. Property 6 is the property of 0. We can call property of 0. 0 have very unique property. Like if I multiply 2 with 0, I will get 0. If I multiply 3 with 0, I will again get 0. Or if I change that order, then answer will also be same. By the commutative property we know, means 2 multiply 0 is equal to 0, or 0 multiply 2 will also be 0. 3 multiply 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiply 3 will also be equal to 0. Okay, means zero have a unique property. You know very well, if zero is multiplied with any number, not with integer, not with only integer, zero multiplied with any number, then our answer will be a zero. Okay, beta? Yes, beta. Property 7th. In property 7th, we will discuss it for the same. For example, we have an integer a. A is multiplied with minus 1. Then we will get minus a. Similarly, order will not affect the multiplication. It will also be equal to minus a. Beta, look here. Is first point. A multiplied with minus a. Then minus a. What is minus a? Opposite of a. It is called opposite of a. Because its sign is opposite to of a. Here a is positive or here a is negative. Means minus a is called opposite of a, or it is called additive inverse. Additive inverse of a. Or it is called additive inverse of a. Means if you have to find the additive inverse of a or any number, you have to multiply with that number with minus 1. For example, I want to find additive inverse of 2. Additive inverse of 2. Simply, I will change its sign. Additive inverse of 2 will be minus 2. Or additive inverse of minus 2. Simply, when I multiply it with minus 1, its sign will be changed. So it will become plus 2. Means you have to find the additive inverse of any number, then you have to change its sign. If you have to find the additive inverse of a positive number, then it will become negative. If you have to find the additive inverse of negative number, then it will be positive. For example, additive inverse of 1, it will be 1. Sorry, minus 1. Because here 1 is positive. Or additive inverse of minus 1, beta, it will be plus 1. Okay, understood? Or its second point is, beta, I have already told integer follow the commutative property, associative property, so that order of multiplication of any 3 integer, order of multiplication of 3 integer, or we will discuss the case of 3 integer here. Order does not affect whether the number of 3 or 4 or any number we can take, the answer will be same. In multiplication, order does not affect the answer. Okay. For example, I have 3 integer a, b, c. I already told it, they follow associative property. Okay. So it will not affect the answer. Whether you multiply a by b by c, whether you multiply b by a by c, whether you multiply c with a with b. That is the meaning of order. Okay. Means first you multiply a with b, then with c. Then your answer will be same. Suppose your answer is D here. Okay. And if you change the order, if you multiply B with A, then with C, then answer will also be same. C multiply A, then with B, then answer also will be same. Means if you have given any number of number, the question is find their multiplication. In any order, you have to multiply the number. It does not affect your answer. Clear, beta? And third point is very important. When the number of negative integer in a product is odd, the product is negative. When the number of negative integer in product are odd, then the product is negative. Very important point, beta. When number of negative integers in product are odd, then product is negative. What is the meaning? For example, I am multiplying negative integer -1. You can take any negative integer -2, -3, same property will be hold. -1 multiply -1 multiply -1. Okay. How many time 1 is here? 1, 2, 3. 3 is odd number. Okay. When the number of negative integer in product are odd, how many time multiplying? 3. 3 is odd number, means odd number time we multiplying it. Then product is negative. Then our final answer will be a negative number. Okay. 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 1, 1. But sign will be negative. Understood, beta? Clear? If you take here -2. Okay. If you take here -2, then what happen? How many time 2 is multiplying? 1, 2, 3. 3 is odd number. Then your final answer will be a negative number. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 2, 8. It will become -8. Understood, beta? And what about if the number of integers are even? Even time they are multiplying. What happen? Then sign will be positive. For example, -1 multiply -1 multiply -1 multiply -1. Okay. How many time minus is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then your final answer will be plus. Will be in a plus. It will be +1. Or similarly, you can take here -2 multiply -2. Okay. How many time -2 is multiplying? 1, 2. 2 is a even number. Then your final answer will be in positive. It will be in a positive. 2 into 2, 4. But sign will be of a positive. Means to say that, beta, if you have integers, if you have the integers like -1 -a1 multiply -a2 multiply, they are multiplying -an. Okay. Understood? If n is even, then your final answer will be a positive. And if n is odd, then your final answer will be a negative. Clear, beta? Understood? Yes, beta. Based on the properties, I am going to study your exercise 1.1. First question, determine each of the product. You have to find the product. Very simple, beta. 12 multiply 7. 12 sevens are 84. You know very well. And here, beta, -15 multiply -8. Keep in mind about the sign. Okay, multiplication you can do very easily, I know very well. 15 8s are 120, beta. Okay, and look here, how many time minus negative integer, how many time is there? Negative integer is only one time, I already told 1 is a odd number, na? So its sign will be a negative number. Okay, understood? Simply you can use also the properties, or you can keep in mind the sign convention. If minus multiply by a positive number, then your answer will be a negative number. And if a negative number is multiplied by a negative number, then your answer will be a positive number. Keep in mind these two steps. If a negative number is multiplied by positive, then your answer will be negative. If negative multiply by negative, then your answer will be positive. Here negative multiply by a positive, then your answer will be negative. And here, beta, simply multiply 25 by 9. And what will be the sign? Both numbers are negative. Negative multiply negative, then your answer will be a positive. And again here 125 multiply -8. one number is positive, one is negative. Okay, then your answer will be a negative number. Okay, understood beta? Yes beta, these two parts you have to solve by yourself. Easily you can solve. Similarly beta, second question, find each of the following product. You have to find the product of following number. Simply beta, firstly multiply the numbers with itself. 3 into 8, 24, and 24 multiply by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12. It is 120. What about the sign? How many times negative number is there? Only one negative number. Okay, so sign will be negative. If there will be two negative number, then sign will be positive. If three negative number, sign will be negative. If four negative number, sign will be positive. Okay, and if five negative number, again it will be negative. If six negative number there, then again it will be positive. Means you have to check how many times negative number is there. If it is there odd number of time like 1 3 5 7, then your answer will be negative number. If it is even number of time there like 2 4 6 8, then it will be positive answer. Okay beta, and next is beta, look how many time. Firstly look how many time negative number is there. 1 2, 2 time. 2 is even number, then your final answer will be a positive number. Now simply multiply the number. 9 multiply 3, 27, and 27 multiply by 6. 7 6 are 42, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16, it become 162. Clear beta? Understood? Similarly you can try third part and fourth part. And look here, what will be sign? How many time negative number? 1 2, so sign will be positive. How many time negative number is there? 1 2 3 4, negative is 4 time, then sign will be positive. Simplify the other number, you can easily multiply. Keep in mind only sign convention. Okay, if a negative number is odd time, then your answer will be a negative number. If negative number is even time in the question, then your answer will be a positive. Yes beta, question third, very important. Second part I will solve here, and first part I already solved in the previous video. Okay, or you can try first part very easily with the help of second part. And look here beta, we haven't multiplied directly here. आपने यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना. मीन्स आपने 28,945 को डायरेक्टली 99 पर मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करोगे आप. वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो क्वेश्चन बहुत लेंथी हो जाएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट बाय यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टी आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. लुक हियर बेटा, 28945, 28945. Okay, I already discussed the which property? Distributive law. What is distributive property? Distributive property. क्या थी वो प्रॉपर्टी बेटा? लाइक A मल्टीप्लाई B माइनस C इज इक्वल टू A मल्टीप्लाई B माइनस A मल्टीप्लाई C. यही प्रॉपर्टी थी आपकी. ओके, लुक एट दैट साइड. ये साइड देखो आप. A मल्टीप्लाई B, A मल्टीप्लाई B माइनस A multiply C. Look here. What is common? Here A is common na? A is common. And what is common here beta? 28945, 28945. That means our A become 28945. Take it common outside. 28945. Okay beta. When I take it common, what is left here? 99. Sign is of minus, and I again take it common, 28945. What is left here beta? I can write it in that way, multiply with minus 1. If it multiply with minus 1, it will be same. Okay, because I write it multiply with 1, sorry, because 1 does not affect the answer. I take it common, इसको मैंने आउटसाइड निकाल लिया, तो यहां पर क्या रह गया आपके पास, माइनस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. अगर आप माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई 1 से करोगे तो क्या आएगा, वो -1 रह गया आपके पास यहां पर. अंडरस्टूड बेटा, क्लियर, अंडरस्टूड. अब ये प्रॉपर्टी आपकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड होगी, a मल्टीप्लाई b माइनस c. ओके, अंडरस्टूड बेटा. हियर c इज इन माइनस. क्लियर बेटा. 28945. now 99 minus multiply minus multiply minus, I already told it will become plus. So 28945, 99 plus 1, it is 100. So your answer is 2894500. So your answer. Okay beta, very simple. डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया हमने, तो देखो क्वेश्चन कितना सिंपल हो गया विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी. So you have to solve it by using the properties. जो भी आपको कॉमन आ रहा है टेक इट आउट. ओके, जैसे ये कॉमन ले लिया हमने, यहां पर क्या रह गया 99 माइनस, और यहां पर क्या रह गया बेटा -1. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. देन 99 plus 1 it will be 100. Very simple. Okay, by using that you can also solve question first of third. First is 1487 multiply by 327 plus minus 487 multiply by 327. You can easily solve it. Okay beta, what is common here now? 327. Take it out and solve. Yes beta. Question 4th, complete the following multiplication table. Very easy. You have given two number, you have to multiply these number. Very simple. This side, look here, first number, this side your first number, and that side is your second number. Means these are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are first number, and second number -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the sign of multiplication. Look here beta, I will complete one column, other you will complete by yourself. Look here, first number is -4, second number is -4, 4 multiply 4, 16, and minus multiply minus, it will be plus. And second number, first number को पहले, okay, first number इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन बेटा नेक्स्ट नंबर इज -3 multiply by -4, or simply you can do in that way, or you can also do in that way. Like first number is -4, second number is -3, 4 into 3 beta 12, minus multiply minus, it will be plus. Next number 4 into 2 8, minus multiply minus plus, 4 into 1 4, minus into minus plus, 4 into 0 0, and next number beta -4 multiply 1, 4 into 1 you know 4, one number is negative, one is positive, then sign will be a negative number. -4 into 2 -8, -4 into 3 -12, -4 into 4 -16. Clear beta? In that way you can do the second, third, these row you can easily fill. Here what will be 3 into 4, -3 into -4, -3 into -9, -3 into -2. Easily you can complete the whole table. Yes beta, question 5th, determine the integer whose product with -1 is 58. मीन्स आपने वो इंटीजर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका प्रोडक्ट -1 से अगर हम करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए 58. ओके, प्रोडक्ट विद -1, आंसर क्या चाहिए हमको 58। नाउ बेटा 58 मीन्स आई वांट अ पॉजिटिव नंबर। 1 को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वही आंसर आएगा। मीन्स 58 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 से तो 58 ही आएगा। यहां पर क्या है -1। अगर आप 58 को -1 पर करते हो तो 58 बन जाएगा, पर हमको क्या चाहिए -58 चाहिए ना। आई वांट हियर +58, देन हियर विल बी -58। if -58 multiplied by -1, then my answer will be become positive +58. Okay beta, so what is my integer? I have to find the integer. What is my answer here? -58. Your answer is -58. Clear beta? Understood? Second part is 0. Determine the integer whose product with -1, वो इंटीजर जिसकी प्रोडक्ट -1 से करोगे तो आंसर कितना आना चाहिए 0 आना चाहिए। तो क्लियरली इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई 0 विद -1 आई विल गेट 0। 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एनी नंबर देन आंसर विल बी अ 0। देन व्हाट इज आंसर हियर बेटा 0। क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? Similarly, you can solve third part by yourself. -225. You have to find the integer whose product with -225. Okay, whose product with whose product with -1 is -225. Clear? Understood? Try it by yourself. This is all about the today beta. Watch the video clearly, understood the topic properties, then try the problems whatever I have given to you. Thank you beta.